So I know you know about your 401k, but do you know what it means to be vested? Let's talk about it.
So for example, if you put in $100, they're going to match you. However, in the first year, if you were to leave your company after 1 year, they would only give you 20% of the amount that they matched. The $100 is yours, but you only get 20% of whatever they said their match was. If your match is 3%, then you would only get 20% of that 3%. After 2 years, if you were to leave your company, you would then get 40%. You would get 40% of how much their match is. Once again, whatever you put in is your money. The match, you would only get 40% of their match. So on and so forth until you hit the 5th year. Some companies are very different. With my company, I would have to stay 5 years in order to get 100% of their match. My money is my money, but their match would only give me 100% once I served with them for 5 years. After that is something is called fully vested. You're fully vested after 5 years. Therefore, year 6, 7, 8, and down the line, if I chose to retire for this company, I'm still 100% vested. I could leave at any point after my 5-year mark and get 100% of the match, plus, of course, as always, the money that I put in.